DLD finna freestyle to Donald Trump. Alright, let's get it. Yo, yo, yeah, yo, 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 yo. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. Here we go. Yo, yo. Verse 1. I control you like a storm in the weather, making hoes come like a bar in the tether, taking you to school. This is 101 hip hop, making niggas peel like the bottom of a flip flop. If you have to ask, it's the hoe is into me, blowing shit up like a known public enemy. My entity, no energy, aka no friend of me. Put a nigga in the ground, end this shit immediately. I'm freezing cold, it's like frost and foils, knocking shit down like Dost in the Doyles. I'm royal. Don't forget car in the oil. Don't spoil you. And you know I'm loyal. Don't give a fuck. And I'm real as Gotti. If you don't believe me, then you niggas should try me. I'm open all day, especially Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and probably Sunday. Yo, yeah, okay, yeah. Verse 2. I pull my Glock out and niggas start squirming. Shoot a nigga up, make his ass do the worm, and eating hoes out like they taste like Amos. Won't stop rapping till a nigga finally famous. I keep a spell on the hoe like Potter, Harry. Keep a bitch silent like Tom and Jerry. I'm riding in the car with the rum and my nigga Tum. Got the lick, take a sip, pass it to my nigga Tip. Smoking strong, smoking weed, hand it to my nigga Scene. Pump the brakes, take a swerve, toss it to my nigga Berg. Riding down the street, looking for the hoes. We can sniff them out anywhere like animals. Cruising down the street in the blue and black Bentley. And when we cash out, we leave all the shelves empty. Yo, okay. Yo. I'm really not happy, so don't make me pop the trunk. Shoot at a nigga if he walking out like DJ Unk. I'm seeing rapping talking on my porch. Fuck with me, get your shit lit like a torch. Ayy, yo, okay, here we go. Ayy, pretty faces switching places, pretty faces reaching places. Ooh, that's right. Okay.